Hello there, everybody. I'm back, and my dog's here. He's got a really strange thing. Watch this. Okay, so I'm gonna put this sucker in my mouth. I'll lay back, and hey, Drinky, you're so cute. Now, one sec. Oh my goodness, I was stuck. But if I do this, looks like we're matching. My dog's a really funny dog. Oh yeah, I don't think you met my other dog. Say hello to Gypsy. My Gypsy girl. Aw, you're a good girl. Look. I think she's a bit camera shy. Oh my goodness. You camera shy, Gypsy? Are you camera shy, Gypsy? Oh my god. Oh, I fell back. Gypsy, are you camera shy? Hope you're not camera shy. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, that was a video. Bye.